Want to design a pizza poster that looks professional and instantly grab attention? Let's do it step by step using just Canva Mobile. Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are going to design this awesome pizza poster in Canva Mobile. If you want to become a pro graphic designer, then make sure to watch this video till the end. You will learn a lot of useful design tips. Quick version of this tutorial is also available on my channel. All the elements I am using are already placed on page 2. I will build the final poster using them. You will find the details in the video description. So without wasting time, let's jump in and start designing. You need to select the poster size 1:1 ratio or square size. First of all, we apply the background color. So go to second page, copy this background color code. Click the poster size and go to color, add color, and the color code is 905637. And here we add second element, the doodle background. So paste here and increase the size. Change color of it, go to color section, plus icon, and paste here color code. Color is changed. Go to transparency, reduce the transparency to 10 or 9. Now add to next element. So we are copy the pizza PNG and paste here. Increase the size of it and set right here. You can size or direction according to you. Select the pizza PNG, go to effect section, select shadow and select drop shadow. Open it, change the angle like this. You can increase or decrease blur amount also. I will set the blur amount on 37 or 38. Time to add another element. So we are adding this shape. Copy it and paste here. Increase the size of it and set like this. We need change the color of it. So select it and go to color section. We have many colors to select them, but I select this color. Copy this female character and paste the first page. Increase size of it. Set right here. We need change the color of t-shirt. So select this and we have many color option. T-shirt color is blue, so we can select blue and select this color, this color, this color, this color. You can select your choice that you like and we select first one. Select again the female character, go to effect section, go to shadow, select drop shadow and increase the size of it and set like this. Now we done it and this time add to font. So we are go to text, add a heading and write here delicious cheese. Reduce the size, set right here, change the color in white color. Go to font section or search this one font. Increase the size of it according to you that you like. I will set here. Again copy it and drag here. Go to edit and write pizza. Select the pizza font. Go to font section, change the font this. Increase the size of it like this. The font at the head, I will slide the female character like this and the font is set. Here to add another element, so we are copy this element and paste right here. Change the color of it in white color and set right here. You can increase the size of it and set like this. Now it's looking perfect. So we are going to add a heading, type buy one get one free. Reduce the size of it. Go to font section and select this font. Select the font and go to effect section, choose shape and curve. So we can go to minus like this and round it like this and set like this. Select this shape and copy it. Now we can paste here and set right here. Change the color of it in white color. Go to text section, add a heading, type here 99. Change the color of it in background color. So set right here. Go to font section, choose and tone. Increase the size of poster like it and set it perfectly like this. We need add the text again, so go to text section, add a heading and type here ONLY only. Select the color as background color, decrease the size of it, go to font section, choose the font Garrett, increase the size of the poster and set right here. Now it's looking very beautiful, perfectly. And we need to next part of the posters, so we can select this 3D shape and copy it, go to here and paste it, and now we set it right here. Next we set to this white shape and copy it and go to first page and paste here. So set it like this. Add another one, so we can select this shape, copy it and go to here and paste it and set upper on it. Go to text section, add a heading, write a number. Change the color of white, decrease the size and set right here. You can set perfectly like this, increase size or decrease size according to you. Select this phone icon and copy it and go to this side and paste here and set right here. Now it's looking very professional. Time to set a brand logo, so we can select this black shape, go to first page and paste here and set right here. Change this color in white color, so we can select white, go to again here, select this round shape to here and paste it, drag it here, go to position section and send backward. Now it's looking very beautiful and professional. Go to again here and select this PS slice and copy it and paste right here. Increase the size, select it and change it color in background colors and select it and drag right here. Increase the poster size, you can set like this. We can go to text and add a heading and right here is a hub. Change the color of it in background color and select the font edge Garrett and drag on here. Decrease the size of it like this and we need to go to spacing and decrease the line space like this. A little bit decrease the size of font and set right here in the middle. Now it's looking professional. And now to time select this tomato and copy here and go to here and paste it. You can increase the size of it or not and set like this. You can use this option to set it. Select this icon, copy it and paste it. Increase the size of it and round it like this and set right here and go to position and send backward. Now it's looking like this. Now time to select this heart icon, copy it and paste it, drag it here, change the color of it in white color, copy it and set right here and like this. If you want a clean space, so please skip this part. And now time to set this shadow, so please select it and copy it and paste right here and drag it like this. Increase the size of it like this. And guys, we are done the job. My professional poster are ready. If you enjoy the video, please hit the subscribe button or like the video. for more video like this. What you learn in this video, tell me in comment section. And guys, please support me on Instagram. I am close to hitting 500 followers. Go follow @Saleh-Visual for more content like this. I will meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.